Your financial life rarely lives in one place. Bank accounts, investments, property, debts, income, and expenses sit across different institutions, currencies, and cities. WealthMap brings them into one private system, so you can see what you own, what you owe, what comes in, and what goes out. Project changes the lens without rebuilding the data. Balance records every asset and liability. Scroll through the real ledger and the decision becomes concrete. A car is an asset, while its auto loan is a separate liability. Counting one without the other gives the wrong picture. Cash flow adds the second half of the case. Salary and rent move every month, so do mortgage interest, principal repayments, insurance, and everyday spending. Higher income can coexist with heavier debt service. WealthMap shows the net effect instead of celebrating one number. Runway turns that net effect into time. It compares liquid resources, scheduled debt, spending, passive income, and active income, so the model answers not only how much you have, but how long the plan can hold. Time value translates the same flow into months, weeks, days, and working hours. Purchasing power compares what the same resources can buy in New York, Toronto, or another city, revealing opportunity and cost. Macro adds exchange rates, inflation, policy rates, and treasury context behind those comparisons, without pretending to predict the future. Prompt carries more than financial targets. You can describe your current non-financial situation, including family, work, location, health, responsibilities, and the life goals you are trying to serve. The agent can then interpret numbers in context. Guide explains the formulas, while Bill keeps the profile's wealth level separate from the account subscription. Higher income can coexist with heavier debt service. A car is an asset, while its auto loan is a separate liability. Insurance and everyday spending. WealthMap shows the net effect instead of celebrating one number. Now a more realistic agent workflow. In a second synthetic case, one request creates 4 linked entries: $40,000 of savings, a $96,000 annual salary, $2,000 of monthly rent, and $600 of monthly groceries. The agent separates an asset, income, rigid expense, and flexible expense, then stages every row before saving. Review all 4 rows. Apply opens a second confirmation, listing the same items one more time. Only confirm writes them, and applied records exactly what entered the model. The control stays with the user, not the automation. After confirmation, home shows $40,000 in savings. Cash flow shows $96,000 a year of income, $31,200 of annual spending, and $64,800 of surplus. Balance holds the asset separately. 4 linked inputs now read as one coherent model. Wealth is not a single score. It is a system of assets, liabilities, cash flow, place, time, and goals. Explore WealthMap at wealthmap.arcstella.com.